Imagine a robot vacuum that not only cleans your floors, but also learns your home's layout in real time. This isn't just any vacuum. It uses advanced AI to map your space, avoiding obstacles like furniture and pets with ease. It can even adapt its cleaning schedule based on your routines, ensuring your floors are spotless when you need them to be. With smart sensors, it detects dirt and adjusts suction power automatically. Plus, it can be controlled from your smartphone, letting you start a cleaning session from anywhere. This is the future of home cleaning: efficient, intelligent, and hassle-free.